Alright, welcome back guys. In today's video, I'm going to be making a two-tone crankbait, just like in the last video, except the paint, there won't be any paint. It's all going to be 3D printed, which hopefully means, because I'm saying hopefully means that I won't have to use the sealant because it's all sticky and slimy on this one. This is the one from the last video that caught the fish. So yeah, but otherwise I'm gonna add all the hardware, but there's gonna be no painting and no sealant. So that's gonna make the process faster and not as complicated and messy. So yeah, skip the painting, no sealant. It's all gonna be 3D printed except for the hardware, which means it should be faster. We don't have to wait for the paint to dry. It's the same amount of time to print the lure, except in different colors, so we cancel out the painting. Alright, so I'm now going to show you how to do that. Alright, I'm just on Chrome here, and I'm going to go to Maker Roll just like last time. And let's see, I'm going to go to Following. Looks like someone made something new. This guy, he also makes fishing lures. But I am just going to, let's see, go back. This guy again, he's made a new one. Click on that. I'm not going to be printing this one because it has hardware involved. But I mean, it looks pretty cool. But click on his name. Then let's see, collections. Then print not fish, and then I'm gonna be clicking same one just like last time, because that one's the easiest one. Downloading lure, not the stencil. That's right up there. It's downloaded. And I'm now gonna jump into Orca Slicer. Import that. Let's see. Let's pull through all these. Alright, there it is. And that's right there. In order to do this, I'm gonna have to turn it on its side by clicking lay on face. Let's see. Should be lay on its back actually. Actually wait, hold on, no, sorry. I'm gonna have to turn it on rotate. Grab this and rotate it. Pretty good. Now make sure it has support. It's gonna need support. A slice plate. Now, in order to add the pause on this slider right here, which you can see controls that on where it is, you right click on the plus button, and under add pause, you figure out where you wanted your pause to be. So I'm gonna have like a black top, or I'm gonna actually use gray, and add pause right there, and then probably around there. Let's see, hold on. This is gonna be kind of hard to see. Figure where those eyes are. Probably around there. I'm gonna add another pause, so that's gonna be. Let me show you here. So it's gonna be gray up until there, and then it's going to be green, and then I'm going to add. See, a pause there. So green stops at that pause, and then right about there, add another pause and do a gold stripe, and then the rest is just going to be white, so it has a white belly. Alright, that's it for adding the pauses. So yeah, you just right click your mouse button on the plus sign, click add pause. Pause is there. You can just go wherever you want really, in whatever colors you want to add the pause. So yeah, that's it, and then you just slice plate. I'm just doing this because my printer only has one nozzle for the filament. Other printers can have multiple nozzles. So yeah, that's still only gonna take 28 minutes, same amount of time as if it wouldn't. So Yeah, I'm doing the lure with without painting. It's gonna be shorter than with the painting, which is really cool. So I'm just minusing the painting, and it's still the same amount of time. All right, well, I have it all loaded up with the first color, which is gray. So now I'm just gonna hit print, and there it is, two-tone. Shouldn't be too long. I'm back on my local lake, and I've got the fishing lure here. It looks pretty good. So I'll just cast it out and see if I can get anything. Alright, nothing on the first cast, but I'll do a couple casts just to make sure. Uh, so yeah, nothing's really been biting. There's a sponsored boat out there, still not catching anything. Several boats still haven't caught anything, so I don't think it's my lure because the other lure video I caught something first cast. So I think the lures are really good. But yeah, so I guess today's not the day to go fishing then. But I'll cast a couple more times.